gross to net margin. He says, so you sold 500 in sales, but what is your profit? So, right, so like I showed you before, there's a gross and then there's net. So I grossed 500K, and like I literally just showed you, the net was 450,000. So we made 450,000 in the span of 4 months, but we didn't spend any money. We never used any of our own money. The only money we used was reinvestment. So if you count reinvestments, we probably ended up with around a little over 300,000 because we put, I believe it was maybe like 80 G's, 90 G's into marketing. 80, 90,000 into marketing. Somebody put a cap emoji. Put a cap emoji if I literally didn't show you the numbers. But when I show you the numbers, because now you just look stupid. That's because you had viral, right? Yes, I had viral content. No, I was actually running Spark ads. So there's a trick in the system where you don't have to consistently go viral. You can literally make, $100,000, $200,000 off of one video. If you have a video that's on the algorithm that has over 1 million, let's just say 3 million views, and your price point is at, let's just say your price point is at $100, $200, but you're making good money. You're making great money. You're making great money. Said 300K in 3 months. 300K in 3 months. That's how you do it, yo. That's how you do it. For those who don't know, like, it's not hard. I mean, I'm 21 years old. If I'm 21 years old and I can do this, I don't care how old you are. If you're 15, 16, 30, 40, you can do it too. Lay off the drugs, lay off whatever you're doing right now that's distracting you. Get on your grind. Said, do you have a Discord still? Yeah, I still have a Discord. If you really want to learn though, make sure you DM me the word e-com. This is all e-commerce, so make sure you DM me the word e-com and I'll get back to you. I'll personally, after I get off lives, I personally respond back to you. So it's not like a bot, it's not a robot, it's literally me responding back to you. He said, elaborate more on Spark ads. Drop a fire emoji if you want me to elaborate on Spark ads. Okay, cool. The volcano diffuser's going crazy right now. Fresh in the market too. Yo, my question to you, Thicky Rogers, are you a guppy or are you a shark, man? I gave y'all the sauce. It's like a lot of these products that I put on my platform, you can also make a lot of money from it. I'm not just putting it on my platform for shits and giggles. You could hop on it. I would suggest anybody who seen my last video, or not my last video, but my last video, hop on that product. Hop on that product. There's potential in that product. I know that for sure. I know that for sure.
What would you do if you only...
Ooh, what would you do if you only had $1,000? I like that video. When my heart can take no more, I keep on running back to you. Okay, Spark ads. I seen enough fire emojis. So, let me give y'all an example of a Spark ad. Matter of fact, it's better if I just give y'all an example. Back. So, say I have this video, right, and it's on the algorithm. Don't take this, all right? Let's just say it has 5,000 likes, right? And it's already on the algorithm, right? It's doing well organically. What I would do is I would run marketing through that video, right? What we do is we run marketing. It's called no interest broad scaling. That's what a Spark ad is. It's mixing your organic traffic with no interest broad scaling. After you mix the no interest broad scaling in with your organic ad, what it does is it creates a spark in the algorithm which boosts sales or boosts traction 40 to 60%. So that's when you see a large increase of sales. For example, there was a day where I had a video on the algorithm that had 1 million views. I did $2,000 in a day. I put $50 into that video, and then I made $12,000 the next day. That's what a Spark ad is. It's mixing your organic with your paid, and then what that does, it creates a spark. But you can only do it with no interest broad scaling. I can't get into no interest broad scaling right now. Y'all are gonna have to tap into my next live. I can't get into no interest broad scaling right now. But you can look it up. You can try Google it. You can maybe YouTube it, or you can DM me the word ecom, and we'll do it all for you. But that's a Spark ad essentially. These are all terms that you got to know, y'all. So I'm happy that you're asking these questions, because a lot of people think that you can just get into e-commerce, make a ton of money without doing anything, which is not really the case at all. So once an organic video is doing good, invest into advertising on the same bid. That is a Spark ad. You got it. What about standing desk websites? You still running it? Standing desk websites. Never ran a desk website, bro. I can't attest to that. That's not something that I would do. You know what's going crazy?